What is ASL Daily Wow? Well, great question. ASL Daily Wow is a cycle of 6 daily emails with themed content designed to help you sign complete sentences in American Sign Language. That's right, complete sentences. You've noticed in our ASL daily quizzes that we focus more on single signs and there's no real theme. It's just kind of random, a random daily quiz. Well, in ASL Daily Wow, we're going to focus on sentences. Why? Well, you gave us feedback that you like single signs, you like learning single signs in American Sign Language, but it's awesome. It's freaking awesome to learn full sentences in ASL. So that's what we're going to do in ASL Daily Wow, focus on full sentences. ASL Daily Wow is a cycle of 6 daily emails. Now you're thinking, okay, so what happens on each day? Day 1, you're going to learn a full sentence in ASL. Now it's going to be a statement. Learn individual signs, put them back together, sign the full sentence. Day 2, you're going to learn extra vocabulary signs that have the same theme as day 1. Now actually the full cycle of 6 days is going to have one single theme. Now the day 3 email, you're going to learn another full sentence. This time it's going to be a question. Right, multiple signs and sign the full question. Day 4 and day 5 emails are review. Day 4 is signing review. Day 5 is understanding review. So can you sign and understand what we've been learning in days 1 through 3? Day 6 will be a recap and reflection of everything, and yeah. ASL Daily Wow is a 6-day email cycle of themed content. Now the theme could be personality signs, color signs, clothing signs, family signs, whatever. It's a single theme for each 6-day cycle. Now you might be thinking, well, why have a single theme? Well, great question. My answer would be, why not? If you're going to be signing multiple signs every day, full statements, full questions, and lots of review, why not learn signs that are all connected to a single theme? You're going to learn a nice chunk of signs and it's going to level you up. Right. So go to ablelingo.com, check out ASL Daily Wow. The whole idea is to help you learn how to sign full statements, full questions, full sentences in American Sign Language. Right, and that includes the individual signs, of course.